What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get premium golden tickets in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. So you can use your premium tickets in the premium shop. So if I just quickly open up my shop right here and go to limited time events, I will see this premium shop tab right here. And as you can see, you can exchange these premium tickets for a Pikachu rare card or some Mewtwo collectible accessories. So at the moment in Pokemon TCG Pocket, there is only one way of getting premium tickets. And that's by purchasing a premium subscription. But you don't actually have to purchase it, because if you take a look right here, you can get 2 weeks of premium pass for free as a free trial. And if you read this fine print here, you can see that you can cancel your subscription at least 24 hours before the end of the no-cost trial. So you can actually get these premium tickets for free if you make use of 2 weeks free trial of the premium pass. So having a premium pass for 2 weeks will not only allow you to get premium tickets and buy these items here, but also you will get a free extra pack each day. So at the moment, that's the only way on how you can obtain these premium tickets in Pokemon TCG Pocket. In the future, maybe they will update it and implement other ways. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.